Hi everybody, I'm Allison from Teaching with a Twinkle. Today we are going to DIY our very own classroom linear calendar. First things first, we need to talk about the materials that you need. So materials that you need, you're going to need multiple pieces of tag board. I got a bunch of these at my local dollar store. If you are hanging your linear calendar on a bulletin board and you can staple it up, you'll be fine with just the tag board as a background. If you're like me and you don't have anything really to secure it to, such as a magnet board or a bulletin board, and you might need to DIY 3M hooks on the wall, I do suggest backing your tag board. First you'll make it on tag board, and then you're going to get foam core board. Got this at my dollar store. We'll cut pieces of this at the end and attach onto the back. It makes it more sturdy, easier to hang. It's not folding weird or floppy, since that's what I found since I don't have a bulletin board. In addition to tag board and possibly needing foam core board, you will need adhesive pockets. These are the pockets that you can slide a number card into. You will need 62 of these because we're going to make a row of 31 for the number cards, and under that we're going to make another row of 31 to hold your school day or home day icon cards. Got these at Lakeshore Learning. These are going to hold the month header above the number card. Clear tape, a yardstick, a decorative border of your choice. Okay, it's time to get started. I wore my goldfish earrings because I think I'm going to need a snack after this. Okay, let's go. Here's an overview of the materials you will need to make your classroom linear calendar. 62 square adhesive pockets, 1 rectangle adhesive pocket, tag board, foam core board if you don't have a bulletin board to attach it to, clear packing tape, scissors, pencil, yardstick, and a decorative border. Step 1. Lay out your adhesive pockets to give yourself an idea of the spacing between each row. So first, lay out a row of 31 square adhesive pockets for your number cards. Below that, another row of 31 for the school and home cards. And at the very top, a pocket for the month header card. In step 2, you're going to figure out the height of the tag board that you are going to have for the background of your linear calendar. So we are just visualizing the spacing of all the pieces. First, lay out a piece of tag board, and on top of that, set a strip of your decorative border at the top and bottom. Then place the adhesive pockets on top of the tag board. However, remember, you're not attaching them. Move the pieces around until you have the desired spacing you would like for your linear calendar. When you're ready, measure the height of your tag board and cut your pieces. For step 3, you are going to attach all of your tag board pieces together. So first, lay the tag board pieces side by side, lining them up as best you can. I decided to sort of overlap them slightly. Attach them together with clear tape. When all of the tag board pieces are attached, flip it over so the clear tape is on the back side. In step 4, you're going to attach the decorative border. Begin on the left side of the calendar and work your way towards the right. First, place a piece of border vertically along the left side. Then continue placing pieces of border horizontally along the top and the bottom. Before you reach the end of the tag board, leave a little space without border. This allows you wiggle room in case you need to adjust the amount of tag board after the adhesive pockets are on. In step 5, you're going to attach the adhesive pockets to the tag board background. First, measure and mark where your bottom row of pockets will go. Then, place the adhesive pockets onto the calendar, making sure they are right next to each other. No space in between them. Repeat with the top row of pockets and the pocket for the month card. Complete step 6 of attaching foam core board to the back of your linear calendar if you do not have a bulletin board to attach your calendar to in your classroom. The foam core board will make your calendar more sturdy for other ways of installing, such as 3M hooks. First, flip over your calendar. Then, cut your foam core board pieces slightly smaller than the height of your calendar. Use clear tape to attach the foam core board onto the back of your linear calendar. In step 7, you are installing your linear calendar and adding the calendar cards to your linear calendar. In order to install your calendar in your classroom, you might be using staples to attach it to a bulletin board. If you don't have a bulletin board, you'll need to get creative with tape, hot glue, 3M hooks, or some other way to secure it to the wall. Once your linear calendar is installed, it's time to add your calendar cards to the pocket. Add your month header in the top, number cards in the top row, home and school cards in the bottom row, day of the week cards and the today star in the top row, and special event cards such as birthdays or field trips in the top row as well.